Good morning, students. I have decided to include this small presentation into your online course because I saw that quite a few of you were struggling a bit on the idea how to set up the right structure for the right size of restaurant. Now, in this part, you're going to see all sorts of restaurants, all sizes. In front of you have right now the structure for a small restaurant where you have the owner or the manager, and then you see that there is always a division between production on one side, service on the other side. These two parts have always to be coordinated by one person, either the executive chef, the cook. Somebody must be responsible for one in production, and the second one is going to be in service. The same organization for a small restaurant, you can have it as a flat organization. A flat organization is normally not used in larger restaurants because actually the owner or the manager is responsible for absolutely everything. So actually he's giving orders, direct orders, to all the levels of all his employees. You see here the dishwashers, cooks, assistant cooks, bartenders, and you see here also again a division. On this side you have production, on this side you have the service. Going a bit bigger, maybe a larger restaurant, you will always have a general manager, maybe an assistant. The control function in this case is kept separate because the general manager cannot really take care of it. You also have some other departments like purchasing and human resources, you may have that. But again, you see the big difference between service on the right side of your screen and what is production on the left side of your screen. Going even bigger, 200-room hotel where you got all the departments. Now we are going to be, of course, focusing on the food and beverage part, where you got food and beverage director, assistant, and then again you have production here and you have service here. The bar is kept separate because that is the beverage function actually, but it could be also included in the duties of a dining room manager. Next, we have a country club. Same story for all these. You have what is the production with executive chef, assistant chef, stewarding, etc. And then you have the service part. In this case, you have a bar, you have a catering service, and you have the dining room. But you see that the structure is always the same. What changes are the positions and the amount of people you will have to do, have. But remember that the division is service and production. That is the main one. Universities, we get to exactly the same situation where we got a food service manager who is on one side responsible for service, and then you get the kitchen part, which is the production part, always kept separate, always with one person at the head of each department. Hospitals, same thing, you got production down here. In the case of a hospital, you don't really have service except in cafeteria, so that is why you just have the service here. This is all I had to say. Now, what is your career in all these organization charts? Well, you will have to decide that. It is entirely up to you. Good luck with that, and good luck with the future.